Buddy Brian back here. How about that? Did that thing work out perfect? We drew this on here yesterday. If you go back here, one, two, three, four. I don't know. We were around here somewhere, but we were looking for that fifth wave, and that's exactly what happened here. Put a Fibonacci on here. That's how we got the target. Right about there. Pull it down. All right, we were looking for that 1618 right up in that 14.6 area. Ended up sorry about that. Had to close that door there, creaking open on me. We had ended up going up to about 14.8. Okay, but we hit the target. Now what are we looking for? All right, we're gonna take a look at this thing, see what's gonna happen next here. Do we have a correction coming, or do we have some more up room here to go? All right, we're gonna take a real quick look at the crypto bubbles. That's for the month right here. Gaining some ground back, right? I mean, most of these were down 30, 40, 50, 60%. Some of them. Now look at this. Minus 11, minus 10, 8. Looking a lot better. Actually got some green in there, which is, look at XRP. That's insane, isn't it? That thing is just ripping this week, up 33%. That's a good look, especially if we're looking for a bull cycle, okay? And that's exactly what we're looking for here. Let's take a look at Myro and see what kind of volume and stuff we've had here. Rank number 298. That's hard to believe, I see a lot left in this thing, especially for the bull run. 46.8 million in volume, $137 million market cap. Tell me this thing can't 10x. $1.50. I totally believe that's possible, especially in a bull run. All right, but we'll see. I don't want to cause any static here, so we'll just see what happens. Right. Let's head over here to the chart and take a look at it. One thing I do want to show you. I follow a guy on Twitter. Talks about this Russell 2000. It says we have to have a Russell breakout to have a Bitcoin bull run, right? Well, look at this. We're heading up towards that 786. This deals with the stock market. All the smaller stocks pretty much combined into one chart. Okay, everything but like Apple and Google and Amazon, everything but your big like big 10 stocks, all the smaller stuff. So seeing a big breakout here, if we can get through this 786, that's a great sign for the bull run, guys. That would mean pretty much the bull run is on, and that's what we're looking for, right? Now if we come back out here, let's just take a look at something real quick. Okay, on a weekly, this thing is bullish and heading toward the upside. Let me get that 5 waves off there. That worked out perfect. All right, it looks possibly like a fake out down here to the bottom. An ABC correction here. All right, we've measured that out. We came in with a bottom right through here, right on support. Look at that. Right. Let's put it up here just a hair. Right through there. Okay, major support areas through here on the weekly. We've had the reversal now. We have the weekly heading up. I don't believe we have a monthly. No, not yet. Okay, but we have the weekly, the 5-day, just starting up. Beautiful bounce. We have the 3-day, just starting up here, looking fantastic, and the daily. All right, so the daily is still heading up. All right, if you look at this thing, if we come through here, we are actually, I'm sure, hitting some major Fibonacci levels now. Oh yeah, hitting that 786 off this first resistance area right now. Okay, so we are right up in the major areas. Look at this. This is a 3 wave right here. Okay, you can see it on the daily. Pretty obvious. Look at this. 1, 2, 3. Wherever this 4 pulls back to, it could pull back to the top of 1 if it wants and still be a 5 wave up. All right, we'll just have to see how it plays out. But we just had 5 waves inside of this 3 wave, which is perfectly normal. This is probably where this 3 wave's going to stop. Let's get this off here a second. All right, and see if we can make sense of this. Okay, you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then inside here, if we go in on, what were we on here? All right, yeah, you can see it on the 1 hour better. Yeah, there we go. Okay, inside here, our 3-wave. We had our, whoops, sorry about that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, which we counted out here. Sorry, that went a little high there. But we counted this out. We were totally looking for that, and it worked out perfectly, right? Now, that would be our 3-wave. After that, more than likely an ABC coming in here. Looks like it might want to push. It looks like it's trying. It's almost flagging up in here on the 1 hour. Yeah, you can see that too. I think the correction is coming, quite honestly. Yeah, look at that downward resistance. Got a resistance line through here, right there. Things flagging up a little bit here. The 1 hour is heading down. Where's these smaller time frames? 30 minutes on the floor. All right, so this thing trying to make one more move up. Let's measure this out here. Heading through there. It looks like it's trying to make another push up here. The 30's on the bottom. The 15's just turning up. Okay, so we could get more. You could get one more push out of this thing. If it does break out the upside, look for 15.3. If it does. If it doesn't, look for an ABC correction here. Okay, you got the 15. Just turning up here, so it's going to be interesting. A break out the top, which would be a break of, call it 14. We'll just go up here to be safe. 14.67. Okay, that would probably qualify for a breakout, not a fake out. Then look for 15.3. That could come in here. If this thing ends up breaking down, we're going to look for an ABC correction on 1 hour. It'd be a little bit more. You'd be able to see a lot more here, but this looks like it's done to me. All right, right here, 1618 up to 14.5. It just looks like it's gassed out to me. All right, you got the 1 hour rolling over, the 4 hour right at the very top. I mean, it's 86 and 87. It's flip bearish. The 8 hour has flip bearish, a 96 and a 98. And the 12 hours at a 100 and a 100. Okay, so if it does have one more push up, that's it. That will definitely that'll be it right there. Then no doubt about it, there will be a correction coming in there. Now, if this breaks down, we'll be looking here. Let's go on to 1 hour. Where could this pull back to? Well, the ABC here. I mean, we'll have to see how deep it goes here, but. It's not going to pull back that deep, not down to 11.8. No, it'll be shallower than that. Probably go off this low rate, this one right here. We'll just have to see where it heads to, how deep it goes here. All right, this could be it right here. Could have a pullback down to 13.6. If it goes deeper than 13.4. Then we're going to be looking for a deeper correction, obviously. All right, let's go to the 4 hour. Yeah, would be going off right here. All right, now if it goes deeper than that, then we'll have to move Fibonacci down to this level here, 12.4. Nah, ABC is more than likely going to be in this range. Okay, down to 13.2 to 13 cents. That's what I am looking for. But with these RSIs on here, you never know. We'll just have to wait and see how deep this ABC goes. Prior ones, let's take a look at some prior ABC corrections for this thing. Wow, that was a long downswing. Right here you had one, A, B, C. I mean, this one pulled down 27% after this run up right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Of course, that was the beginning of our massive run down. But you had your ABC, then you had your retracement, probably back up to 702. It looks like here, or 618, right up to 786 exactly. Got rejected off there, and that was all she wrote. That thing just started collapsing. But this ABC right here, you can see. Right up to a 618, definitely these wicks sometimes, especially with Myro and these wicks will really throw your charts crazy. I mean, there it is, ABC. Yeah, definitely an ABC in there, but it pulled back 27%. Okay, that prior one. If this one here pulled down similar, I mean, but that one over there was a lot bigger run. Okay, like I said, this is only one, two. This is a three wave. This is going to be a fourth wave ABC. So it could pull back to the top of this wave one, which is right here. Let's mark that off. It could at 11.5. All right, you got 1, 2, 3. Now if it pulls back here to 11.5, all right, where would this fifth wave head? Target for the fifth wave. Take your fib. We've been trading all day over in Discord, guys. You know, for 15 bucks, you can get that level 3 membership. Please check it out. We're doing a Pepe trade right now. You'd make your 15 bucks right there. Has over 10 hours of videos for you to watch and learn how to chart. Man, it's I'm telling you, I'm not just saying it to sell it. It's worth it. You got to learn this stuff. Learn how to chart. Learn how to look for price targets. You know, they say, trust yourself is what it comes down to. You know, I don't give financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Best person to trust is yourself. I trust myself. I don't watch other people's videos on YouTube. I watch one guy once in a while just because I've been watching him forever, and I want to stay loyal to that. I really like him. Really good guy, honest, and I think I try to learn from him as far as my honesty and just being a good person on YouTube. But I don't watch anybody else. I trust myself with this stuff. So we'll see what happens here with Myro. But it could pull back here to 11.5. Okay, which would be, as far as a Fibonacci, if we went off the top up here, well, there you go. That would kind of make sense too. That's right around that 702 retracement level. How about that? We'll see what happens, guys. Possibly a little bit higher. But then I would be definitely expecting some sort of pullback here. You got to have a pullback here. These RSIs are getting overextended. All right. Thank you so much, guys. I will talk to you very soon. Please hit that like and subscribe. Thanks.